Kicked out the pub like I wasn't a regular. Forget that. I have drinks at home anyway. Why do they kick me out anyway? Stupid pub doesn't want my money.
I've just got back off holiday. I drove into the back of another car. Yeah. No, sometimes mistakes happen.
Out again? I've got to get more.
Police found an empty vodka bottle in the wreckage of his Audi. Zachary's.
Where did I leave my keys? I'm fine, I can drive. I should have stopped. I made a massive mistake. I could have been better. I started to fade. I hit a new low. My drinking holds me back. I know I'd be better without it. Looking back on what I did, I could have been so much better. I just need a second chance. I need